even when no one is watching. Integrity plays the game right. Good evening, everyone. I am Eric P. Milano, and I proudly stand for a value to define who we are. Not just as athlete or student, but as a human being. Integrity. In sport, we celebrate strength, speed, and strategy. But behind every true champion is a deeper strength, the courage to do what is right even when it's difficult. Integrity is choosing fairness over shortcuts, honesty over winning at any cost, and values over victory. It's walking off the field knowing you played with honor. It's owning your mistake, playing by the rules, and showing respect even in difficult. It's walking off the field knowing you played with honor. Here in Rebecca National High School, Intramuros is more than just a competition. It is a reflection of who we are when pressure is high and spotlight is bright. Because at the end of every game, the score fades, but integrity stays. Play with heart, win with honor, live with integrity.
Passion. Passion is a fire that never fades, the heartbeat of every dream. I am Haname Sophia Diston, and I stand before you not just as a contestant, but as a believer in the power